Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Most of the stations over Goa received moderate rainfall. That means rainfall less than 6 centimeters. Stations such as Panji, Old Goa and Sakli reported 5 centimeter of rainfall. That was the highest in Goa state for the past 24 hours. Now talking about the cumulative rainfall for the season, as on today, that is on 9th of July, the total cumulative rainfall over Goa was 152 centimeters of rainfall against a normal value of 121 centimeters. That means 25% extra rainfall has been received over Goa in this monsoon season starting from 1st of June. Again, I would like to repeat that the conditions for heavy rainfall at isolated locations continue over Goa in the coming days as well. So, possibility of heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 locations over Goa is there for the coming 5 days.
See, actually now that the water level has come to the brim level of the spillway.
Yeah.
So now whatever water is coming to the river, it will be flowing down to the river. It will not be stored in the dam.
Yeah.
That is the only condition. There is nothing to worry. No danger or nothing else, because that the water level is nearly 2 meters below the danger level in the river. It will take minimum 8 to 10 hours to reach the water here. So whenever the rainwater is coming to the dam, they have to open the gate only, no?
Your time, night time, your day.
See, it is not night time and day like that. They will open the gate to maintain the water level in the dam. So when the more water is coming, they will be opening the gate more. Because water level in the dam should be maintained at a particular level like that.
हांगा तुम्ही पळयतात आसतले हांगासर जितली आमची एरिया आसा इंडस्ट्रीची थंय फूल उदक भरलेलें आसा. उदकाक खंयच वचपाक वाट ना कांयच ना. आनी कावन्सिलर हांवें सांगलें रामा नायकाक, तो म्हणपा लागलो कांयच जावपा ना हेचें. मागीर हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन इतलेंच मागता की आमकां कितें तरी मदत करपाची, कित्याक जर हो असोच पावस पडत रावलो रातभर, भुरगीं आसा, सगळीं जाणां आसा, गांवा वयलीं लोकां आसा, मॉर्निंग म्हण तेंचे घरान उदक भरलेलें, सकाळ म्हण तेंच्या घरान उदक भरलेलें. आतां जसो जसो पावस कमी जाला तसो तसो उदक सुद्दां कमी जायत आसा. बट अशेंच रातचें जर जाल्लेलें जाल्यार न्हू आमकां खूब हें जाता आसलेलें, सगळीं जाणां भियाता आसलेलीं.